Enemy is
kill all.
your team is banning.
Time to witness the handsome.
Welcome to the greatest. The enemy is banning.
My fists are unflinching.
Your team is banning.
Ano? Ayun, hanap lang.
When the body suffers, the enemy is picking.
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
Please pick a hero.
And who are the two greatest
Yun
adventures?
sa ano mo? Ano, ano ang pinagawa sa Bicol? Napalad mo sa mga kasi hindi ko na kasi away ko naman na ay hindi ka kasi napakama mo sa pili kasi iba pa rin sa ID.
The enemy is picking.
I do what I want to do.
Your team is picking.
My magic flows as freely as the winds.
The enemy is picking. I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Honor!
Your team is picking.
Ikaw po, ano pong problema sa papel mo?
Wala na ako na yung... So ano? Barangay.
Pero may ID ka? Miski voter certification?
Yung dahil sa ginamit ko. May motor sa certification sa...
Ayun lang po ito ang gamitin mo.
Kasi na yung...
Kung di iba pong problema diba sa spelling sa payroll, okay lang po ito. Okay, yun na po itong gamitin mo. Ipa-xerox mo na lang po ito.
Itong motor certification.
Iyo po. Yun na po itong gamitin mo.
Zero sa sana. Salamat man.
Ay, hindi pa lang ang dapat. Kada ako din pirma, paano yun ang tema niya?
Hindi, okay lang po yan.
Okay lang, eh.
Oo.
Iski na kong pirma. Diyan.
Magpirma ka, pirmahan mo na po, digdi. Nagpirma mo, Diyan mo na po.
Eh, kung anong pirma mo sa dumang pinirma mo, yun, pinirma mo. Sa kung nga, kung hindi mo pinirma ko duman, kaya man ang nakapirma sa ID voters ko.
Hindi na kwan.
Dapat makapadasan naman sa pirma mo. Iyo. Diyan ka na po magpirma. Mataday pang pirmaan. Ikaw may Mila.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. Ang 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Si Maymer na po ang kapatol mo. Ay, si Maymer na. Garong nga yung pagkakari nakadig di sa ano. Si Maymer naman sana po. Ano yan sa Legaspi?
Koopa is Popo's best friend.
Don't move! I'm aiming my spears at you! Request backup! Go, time to beat the monkey fox! Don't move! I'm aiming my spears at you! They are gonna be so impressed by us, aren't they, Koopa? Don't go away! Our game is over! Don't move! Aiming my spears at you! Thank you!
Arin. Ano? Ano mo ni manager dito? Ano?
Taas. Ano man?
Ini kayo, may isang digdigan ng luwas. Ano mo na?
May isa.
I'm running
Ano?
Hindi may isang digdigan ng luwas. Wala mapa rin.
Oo, tapos.
Pwede ito mo na lang po ino.
Tapos, okay na?
Oo.
aiming my spears at you! Yo! Time to beat them up, Koopa! Enemy has been slain! Yo, time to beat them up, Koopa. Okay. Koopa is Popo's best friend and only friend. You destroy the turret. Popo! I'm running out of strength. Don't move! My spirit with you! The enemy has slain the turret. You destroy the turret. You have slain an enemy. Has been slain. You destroy the turret. Has been slain. Request backup. They are gonna be so impressed by us, aren't they, Koopa? I'm running out of practice. Popo's best and don't move. I'm aiming my spears at you. Has been slain. Your team destroyed the turret. Koopa is Popo's best friend and only friend. Don't Popo! Aiming my spears at you. Request backup. Uh-oh. I'm running out of pranks to play. Slain an enemy. Destroyed. Battle spell. Ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Request backup. Uh-oh. I'm running out of our inhibitor turret is under attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Don't go away. Our game isn't over. We're ahead in gold. Uh-oh. I'm running out of pranks to play. Slain an enemy. Mega kill. Enemy has been slain. Killing spree. Frostbite. Destroy the turret. Team destroy the turret. Initiate retreat. Don't move, don't move. I'm aiming my battle spell is Don't go away. Our game isn't over. Attack the Lord. Don't miss the Attack the Lord. Don't move. Our turret has been destroyed. Launch attack! An ally has slain Lord! Don't move, don't move! Our turret is under attack! My spears at you! Our turret has been destroyed. Block my way! Wow. Request backup! Slain! Slain an enemy! Initiate request backup! Request backup! Don't go away! Our game is over! Enemy has been slain! Victory!